Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 31 of Building the Batmobile. In this issue, we are going to be continuing building the axle. It must be the front axle, mustn't it? Yes. Yeah, but we've got, is that the Riddler? It looks like the Riddler. It is the Riddler. Yeah, there we go. And this is issue 31, stage 31, episode 31 of season 1. How many in the first season? I really don't know. Lots and lots. But there we go. It's the one where Robin risks death by circular saw. Very Bond. There we go. Or maybe that's where Bond got it from, because Bond's mainly after then. I don't know. Born to Kill is the great comic, Batman and Robin. Good stuff. It's starting to get darker sort of things rather than the very cartoony earlier stuff. There you go, all of that, all good stuff, all good things in there. Batman year by year. And again, Batman kissing the bad people. He's always kissing them. It's always Poison Ivy, isn't it? It's very strange. Continues in issue 32. That's interesting. They're continuing the year on year. Right, so yes, this is what we've got. We've got the plastic part to fit to the metal part, and then the other bit that we dealt with last time to attach onto that with a little cover over that as well, the gearboxy type thing. So yeah, let's clear this out of the way. Let's get straight to it. Right, here we go. So from last time we've got these bits. From this time we've got these bits. So first of all, we're attaching the plastic bit to the metal bit on there. It's just 2 screws that hold that in place. So these M screws, because we're going into metal, although we're attaching plastic to it. That will go to the first hole there. And the second one over the other end, over the other side. Goes in there. And then we can get these tightened up and tightened down, depending on which way you look at things. I assume it's which way you look at life, really, as to which one you use. There we go, that's that on there. Then we need to attach this to that, so we'll get that the right way round there, according to the picture. Then that, according to Katie's eyes, goes on that way round. Oh, I've dropped it now. The 2 prongs go over this side, the one over this side. That's held in place with 2 screws. Although there are 4 screw holes, because this cover just pops in place on those 2. So we've got top right and bottom left where these screws are going to go. Get that lined up properly. That should go in there. That is joined up to the thing. That should be it. This will go through the other one. Actually, you can tell that these screw holes are different. Got a undercut to ensure that the screw head is a little bit more flush than it would be in the other sides. So that will hold that together. And again, that piece then uses the other 2 holes with 2 little pins to hold that together, like so. So there we go. This is obviously where the other suspension bits are going to go to hold that onto the underside. But that's what we've got so far. Another issue done, another part done. One more issue in this delivery. So we'll have a look at that and continue with this part. I don't know that we're going to be attaching this to the frame as yet, but soon. So thanks for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you soon. Bye bye for now.